Not long ago, I wrote an article called Option Trading for Beginners. The response to that article totally took me by surprise. I had no idea there were so many people with an interest to learn options. So I thought the subject merits some videos. I'm going to assume you don't know much about trading. You may have a 401k or an IRA, and every quarter you get a report on those funds telling you how you're doing. Sometimes you're happy. Yay, my funds went up 8%. Lately, you probably hated to even open the envelope, knowing your balances were going down as the markets plummeted. In a minute, I'm going to share a well-kept secret with you. Who am I? My name is Maggie Roth, and I'm just the same as you, except for one thing. I trade options, and I usually double my account balance at least a couple of times a year. I've been teaching and mentoring folks all over the world for the past 12 years on how to be successful at trading. Guys, helping you learn to trade is my passion and my joy. My video posts are usually only about 10 minutes each and cover a single subject very thoroughly. But to cover the basics of options trading and have the concepts be totally clear and usable, it's going to take a lot more than one 10-minute session. You're going to want to be notified each time I make a new post. Please like or subscribe to this channel below to get my next post and get all the information you'll need to get started on your path to success. Now here's the secret I promised you. Because of the nature of options, you can make money no matter what direction the stock market is going, up, down, or sideways. So are you ready to take off? Well, fasten your seatbelt because here we go. First, ask yourself a question. What is an option? Here's the standard definition. Options are financial derivatives that give the right to the buyer to buy or sell an underlying asset at a stated price within a specific period. Now that put me to sleep just reading it. So let's break this whole concept down into something even a 10-year-old child could understand. Here's the scenario. Your neighbor owns a piece of land and you'd like to own it. You go to him and say, I'm willing to buy your land for $100,000. Your neighbor agrees, and you just struck a deal for $100,000. You have learned your first concept of options trading. High five! The strike. The strike is the agreed upon price you're willing to pay and the other party is willing to accept. In the case I just gave you, the strike is $100,000. But wait, you say, I don't want to take possession of your land for 8 months on January 15th of next year. I can see it now. Your neighbor's looking at you, puzzled and maybe wondering what kind of scam you're trying to pull. Tax reasons, you quickly explain, and now your neighbor just nods his head knowingly. You have just agreed on the time when the agreement expires, January 15th of next year. And guess what? You now have the second important concept under your belt. You're rocking. The expiration. The expiration is the last day the agreement is valid. By that date, you're going to have to decide to buy or not to buy that land. In the case we are talking about, the expiration is January 15th of next year. Now your neighbor says to you, look, I'm taking a risk. I'm taking my land off the market for you. What if you decide not to take it by January 15th? So you think a minute and you offer him $5,000 to hold the land for you. If you don't take possession of the land by January 15th, the expiration date, he gets to keep the money. Again, you both agree on the terms. So the premium is the fee the buyer pays for the right to buy at a preset price when the contract's time expires. $5,000 is a premium on the deal with your neighbor. So January 15th rolls around and you have to decide if you want to own that land or not. Let's say land prices have really dropped and your neighbor's land is now only worth $70,000, so you decide not to buy it. In that case, your neighbor gets to keep the land, but he also gets to keep the $5,000 premium you paid to hold the land off the market. You just lost $5,000. But guys, it's a lot better than paying $100,000 for land only worth $70,000. In that case, you lose $30,000. So let's keep building on this concept. Same scene, but this time around, the land value's gone up, and now it's at $115,000. Like a smart person, you decide to consummate or to exercise the deal. The total you have to pay is $105,000 altogether, $5,000 for the premium plus $100,000 for the land. But remember, the land is now worth $115,000. That's $10,000 higher than what you will pay. What you've done is exercise the contract. To exercise a contract, you're putting into effect the right to buy or sell the underlying security that is specified in the options contract. Look at you. You now have the fundamental basics and the language of option trading. In the next video, we're going to talk about why trading options has so much more potential for gain than trading stocks or bonds. You're going to want to tune in for that. If I've piqued your interest and you find this subject as fascinating as I do, you're going to want to check us out. To make it easy for you, I'm offering you a free trial to Investing Buddies. It's 2 weeks. You get to try us out. You'll get to attend the weekly webinars. You're going to see my trade recommendations. You'll have access to my trading journals and the watch list as you follow along with my trading. Best of all, I've got dozens of educational videos on the website to help you get started right. It won't be long before you're ready for our data classes. Data classes are double account trading adventures. They're 10 weeks long, and you're trading every day right alongside me. I usually double my account within those 10 weeks. I also give you my insights and thoughts on each trade as we go along. But first, sign up for your free 2-week trial offer and make sure Investing Buddies is a good fit for you. I want to thank you for watching this, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.